You raised a pull request. 2 days later, still pending. The reviewer is busy, the backlog is growing, your branch is getting stale. Merge conflicts are piling up. What if I told you that the moment you raise a PR, you get a full review in 30 seconds? Bugs caught. Security issues flagged. Style violations highlighted. That's exactly what we're covering today, AI code review. Here's the core problem. AI coding tools like Copilot, Cursor, and Claude have dramatically increased how fast we write code. But code review? That's still manual. Still the same 3 to 4 senior developers reviewing everything for the whole team. PR queues grow longer every sprint. Reviews take 2 to 3 days. And bugs that should have been caught? They slip into production. Code generation sped up. Reviews didn't. That's the bottleneck. AI code review means you raise a PR, and a large language model automatically reads your code diff, analyzes it, and posts review comments directly on GitHub or GitLab. Bugs, security issues, style violations, missing edge cases, all within 30 seconds. It doesn't replace human reviewers. It does the heavy lifting so the human reviewer can focus on architecture and business logic. The flow is straightforward. A developer raises a PR. GitHub fires a webhook. The AI tool reads the code diff along with surrounding context, file structure, previous changes, custom rules. It sends this to a large language model, GPT, Claude, or a custom model. The model generates review comments, and these comments are posted directly on the PR, on GitHub or GitLab. Just like a human reviewer would comment. 30 seconds. Automatic. On every single PR. There are several excellent tools in 2026. Let me break them down. GitHub Copilot Code Review, built right into GitHub. Select Copilot as reviewer, done. CodeRabbit, the most popular. 3 million repos. NVIDIA and TaskRabbit use it. 2-click install. Codo, formerly Codium, enterprise grade with a living rule system that learns your team's coding standards. SourceEye, security focused. Reviews in your IDE and on PRs. Amazon CodeGuru, AWS native, focused on Java and Python. And the great news, all of them are free for open source projects. GitHub Copilot's code review is the easiest to set up. Open your PR, go to the reviewers drop-down, select Copilot. That's it. Within 30 seconds, review comments appear right on the PR. Copilot also provides suggested changes. You can accept them with one click. The best part, create a file called .github/copilotinstructions.md and write your coding standards there. Copilot follows those rules during review. You can enable auto-review so every PR gets reviewed automatically. But note, Copilot never approves or blocks. It only leaves comments. The final merge decision is always human. CodeRabbit is the most popular AI code review tool on the market. Installed on over 3 million repos. Used by NVIDIA, Clerk, and TaskRabbit. Install it from GitHub Marketplace, literally 2 clicks, done. On every PR, you get an automatic summary, a detailed walkthrough of changes, and even an architecture diagram. For simple fixes, CodeRabbit offers one-click commit, the AI fixes it and commits. The coolest feature? Learnings. You give feedback in natural language, and the AI remembers it for all future reviews. Configure it with a .codrabbit.yaml file. Works with GitHub, GitLab, and Azure DevOps. So what exactly does AI catch in code reviews? Bugs, null pointer dereferences, off-by-one errors, race conditions. Security vulnerabilities, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, hard-coded secrets and API keys. Style issues, naming convention violations, formatting inconsistencies. Edge cases, empty inputs, boundary values, negative numbers not handled. Performance problems, N+1 queries, unnecessary loops, potential memory leaks. And missing tests, it flags code paths that have zero test coverage. Catching all of this manually takes hours. AI does it in seconds. Now let's be honest about what AI misses. Business logic validation, AI doesn't understand your domain. It can't tell if the discount calculation is correct or not. Architecture decisions, should we even build this feature? That's a human call. Team conventions that aren't documented anywhere, AI can't read minds. Complex cross-service dependencies where one PR might break another service. And the UX impact of code changes, AI doesn't see the user. But here's the realistic ratio. AI handles 90% of the heavy lifting. Human reviewers handle the 10% that requires critical thinking. That's the perfect balance. Let me show you the practical setup. The easiest path, GitHub Copilot. Create a file called .github/copilot instructions, MD in your repo. Write your review rules in plain English. Check for null safety. Flag hard-coded secrets. Ensure public methods have tests. Follow naming conventions. This file must be in your base branch, usually main. It supports up to 4,000 characters of instructions. Set it once, it applies automatically on every PR. Here's the ideal pipeline. Developer pushes code. A PR is created or updated. If auto-review is enabled, the AI automatically reviews within 30 seconds, bugs, security issues, style violations, all of it. If auto-review isn't enabled, you manually select Copilot as a reviewer. The developer addresses the AI's comments. Then a human reviewer does the final check, focusing only on business logic and architecture decisions. Merge. Your review cycle just went from 2 days to 2 hours. Which tool should you pick? If you're already on GitHub with Copilot, use Copilot Code Review. Zero setup, just select it. Open source project, CodeRabbit. Free, and it has the most features. Enterprise team with custom coding standards, Kodo. Its learning rules system adapts to your team. Security is your top priority, SOSI. Vulnerability scanning is built right in. AWS ecosystem, Amazon CodeGuru. And my recommendation? The best combo is Copilot for quick, always-on reviews plus CodeRabbit for deep analysis. Use both together. A few pro tips to get the most out of AI code review. Keep your PR small, under 400 lines is ideal. AI gets much better context on smaller diffs. Always write custom instructions. Generic rules give generic feedback. Be specific. Don't blindly accept AI suggestions, they're not always right. Verify. Use the learnings feature in CodeRabbit and Kodo. The AI genuinely improves over time. Keep a human reviewer for architecture and business logic decisions. And enable auto-review. Make it the default. Zero friction. Build these habits, and your review quality will improve dramatically. To summarize, AI code review in 2026 is no longer optional. Manual review is a bottleneck. AI catches bugs, security issues, and style violations in 30 seconds. GitHub Copilot, CodeRabbit, Kodo, the tools are ready. 2 minutes to set up. Permanent impact on your team's velocity. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which tool you're going to try first. See you in the next one.